Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gamitin natin itong Soul Connections Oracle Cards. Alamin natin kung ano yung mga nararamdaman, mga posibleng mangyari, mga gabay mensahe ng tarot ng Oracle Cards na ito for your specific person. Okay, so before we start, think of a specific person, Pisces, lalo na kung tungkol ito sa love, okay? And alamin natin kung ano yung magiging mensahe, mga posibleng mangyari sa inyong dalawa ng minamahal mo ngayon, Pisces, okay? So, reminder lang po na ito ay general reading, so pwede pong mag-resonate, pwede pong hindi, okay? Madikit siya, okay? And this is a timeless reading, Pisces, so kahit anong araw, buwan o taon mo to napanood, basta konektado, magtugma sa sitwasyon niyo po ng taong minamahal mo, take lang, okay? Pag hindi, wag pong ipilit, okay? And ang reading na ito ay para po sa lahat ng gender, babae, lalaki, and LGBT man na mga Pisces and yung mga taong nagdidil kay Pisces, okay? So, ano po ang mga posibleng mangyari? Ano tong mensahe nyo po sa taong dinidil ni Pisces? Kunin natin to. Emotions. Look deep within your emotions, Pisces. So, it's either you or you're dealing your person is looking down in their emotion for you, Pisces, or pwedeng ikaw, okay, or pwedeng sige pa nga, ano pa po ang message po for this person ni Pisces and sa kanya. There's emotion, ano po yung konektado sa emotions nito. Ayun, so labyrinth, telepathic, and illusion. Marami pala. Let go. Okay. So, sa nararamdaman ko, Pisces, there's a confusion right here, okay, about your dealing with this person. And there's something na you have to let go, especially yung mga illusions, okay? So, feeling ko, Pisces, walang kasiguraduhan. Pwedeng malayo kayong dalawa ng taong to kasi meron tayo ditong telepathic, okay? So, as of now, your emotions is like confusing you, okay? Or you're dealing with someone na kinu-confuse ka, Pisces. Lalo na't parang meron tayo ditong parang puzzle, okay? Even when you feel lost, there is always way through a labyrinth, okay? So, again, there's a confusion. Hindi mo alam kung saan papunta itong relasyon na ito. Pero you and this person is so deeply connected, especially in telepathic, meron tayo dito, and also in emotion. So, konektado kayong dalawa ng taong to, Pisces, okay? And there is something na illusion within the both of you. Pwedeng hindi pa kayo nakita, hindi kayo siguro madalas magkasama ng taong to, or pwedeng nasa malayo kayong dalawa kasi there's an illusion and you have to let go. You have to let go of something na, kumbaga, it's like, just go with the flow, Pisces, okay? And pag hindi, in, pag merong confusion, parang wag mong ipilit, okay? Kumbaga, wag mong i-pressure yung sarili mo and this person. Kasi, pag para sa'yo, always kung sinasabi yan, Pisces, para sa'yo, okay? Just let go, surrender everything to God, just go with the flow, okay? And, kumbaga, kung meron mang confusion, kung hindi mo man alam kung saan to patutungo, tuloy lang, okay? Kumbaga, langoy ka lang, together with this person or without this person, okay? It's still up to you, Pisces, okay? Pero you and this person are so connected, especially in emotion and in uh, mindset, okay? Kasi there's a telepathic and close soul connections are harmoniously synchronized, creating moments of telepathy, okay? So, you are connected to this person. Pag naiisip mo siya, iniisip ka din niya. Ganun po. Pag meron ka nararamdaman, nararamdaman din niya. Pwedeng mostly sa panaginip, okay? Kasi ang kasunod nito is illusion. So, pwedeng ito ay panaginip, pwedeng nananaginip itong taong to, or ikaw nananaginip, or nakikita ka niya sa panaginip, okay? And again, you have to surrender kung hindi mo man alam kung saan to patutungo itong relasyon niyo po, okay? And it's so normal. Normal lang po yun na merong times na sweet kayo, merong times na saan ba to papunta, okay? Basta kayong dalawa, pipiliin niyo pa rin yung kayong dalawa. Okay? Walang ibang involved, kundi kayong dalawa. And you have to trust your person, Pisces. Pag mahal mo, you have to just enjoy the journey. And darating ang araw, pag kayong dalawa. Okay? Just go with the flow and in God's perfect time, pag kayong dalawa Pisces, okay? Magkakasama kayo, pwedeng soon ikakasal kayo, okay? And you have just surrender. Surrender. Just go with the flow. Okay? And let go. Sometimes it's best to let go and let the universe work things out in divine timing. Yes, in God's perfect time. Just surrender. Just surrender everything to God. Just go with the flow. Kung saan man to papunta tong relasyon na ito, tuloy lang. Okay? Huwag mong i-pressure. You have to keep yourself busy. Also, Pisces, pag meron siya sariling buhay, meron siyang ginagawa sa buhay niya, pwedeng magkalayo kayo nito, okay? Pwedeng medyo malayo yung distansya niyong dalawa and meron siyang, alam mo yun, pang-araw-araw, ikaw din meron pang-araw-araw na ginagawa, okay? That's kumbaga, that's the way na, kumbaga, keep yourself busy also, Pisces. Huwag kang mag-focus sa taong to. Okay? Huwag mong hayaan na umikot yung mundo mo sa kanya. Kasi meron ka ring sariling mundo, Pisces. I mean, meron ka ring sariling buhay. Okay? So, kung saan man to papunta man to sa marriage, papunta man to sa kung saan, or hindi mo, sa as of now, hindi mo man alam kung saan to papunta, just go with the flow. As long as mahal mo siya, as long as mahal ka niya, as long as kayong dalawa, walang ibang taong involved, just go with the flow. Okay? And let God, darating ang araw, pag para sa'yo, Pisces, para sa'yo. Okay? Wag i-pressure yung mga bagay na hindi mo naman kontrolado, Pisces. Okay? So, enjoy lang. Enjoy the journey. Pag mahal ka niya, mahal mo siya, and andun pa rin yung communication, connection yung dalawa. Ayun lang, okay? Relax lang. Wag mong i-pressure yung sarili niyo po. So, ano pa ang message niyo po for Pisces regarding with this person na dinidil niya po? Okay, so meron tayo ditong true love. Yes, there's a true love deeply, and yes, there's a confusion in it. So you are confused, Pisces, or this person is confused. Pero you are deeply connected to this person, especially on mind and in emotion. Look deeply within to discover your soul purpose in your relationship. So, kumbaga, mas isipin mo, pakiramdaman mo ng deeper level, Pisces, para alam mo yun, makakuha ka pa ng reason to stay with this person, okay? Kasi you and this person is true love. Lumabas tong true love natin dito, okay? True love comes when you least expect it, okay? So, in God's perfect time, pag kayo talaga, okay? And this confusion right here, kumbaga nagdadala ito sa'yo ng stress, nagdadala ito sa'yo ng, kumbaga, sa inyong dalawa ng, pwedeng pag-aaway, pwedeng, alam mo yun, yung mga bagay na nakaka-stress, okay? Because confused ka kung saan to papunta, okay? Pero again, you have to trust your person, this person trust you, and first of all, trust God, okay? Kumbaga, pag kayo, okay? Darating ang araw, kung kayo yung ikakasal, kayo yung magkasama habang buhay, matutuloy yun, walang makakapigil doon. Kasi yun yung will ng ating Panginoon para sa'yo, Pisces, okay? Pero pag hindi, alam mo yun, just go with the flow. Okay? Just surrender everything to God. So, ano pa po? Kuha pa tayo ng dalawang cards pa po for Pisces and this person na dinidin niya po. Ayun, so meron tayo ditong dreams. Yes, pwedeng this person sees you in his or her dreams, Pisces, okay? Or pwedeng ikaw, madalas mo siyang nakikita sa panaginip mo, or pwedeng meron kayong panaginip para sa isa't isa, okay? Share your dreams together and encourage each other to make them reality, okay? So, yun nga, parang ano lang, parang support your other person, Pisces, okay? Supportahan mo, but at the same time, you have your own life. Okay? Wag mong hayaang umikot yung mundo mo sa kanya, Pisces. Kasi meron ka ring sariling buhay. Okay? And, ayun, meron pa tayo dito. Rejoice. Wow. Embrace your loving connection and rejoice. Yes, just ano lang, enjoy the journey. Okay? Enjoy mo lang. Lalo na't mahal nyo pa ang isa't isa. Mahal mo siya, mahal ka niya. Okay? Enjoy mo lang yung journey kasi pag para sa'yo. Okay? And you are deeply connected to this person. And there's a dream, there's a panaginip. Okay? So, meron kayong panaginip para sa future niyong dalawa. Okay? Pero again, in God's perfect time, pag para sa'yo. Okay? And you are their true love. Andun yung true love. Andun yung totoong pagmamahal niyo sa isa't isa. Hindi mawawala yun. And yung confusion sa relasyon, it's so normal. Lahat po ng taong merong karelasyon, merong asawa, merong boyfriend, girlfriend, karelasyon, or ano man, dumadaan sa phase na yon, okay? Na ano ba, saan ba to papunta? Meron, alam mo yun, yung parang boring stage, boring phase ng relasyon na parang minsan, alam mo yun, yung parang wala na kayong pag-uusapan, alam mo yun, yung parang ganun. Pero ang importante doon is, as long as mahal kayo, mahal mo, mahal ka niya, okay? And andun yung trust, andun yung pagmamahal, and at the end of the day, kayo pa rin yung, pipiliin nyo pa rin yung isa't isa, okay? And first of all, in God's perfect time, in God's will, in God's way, in His guidance, in His protection, pagpara kayo sa isa't isa, walang makakapigil dun, okay? Bottom of the deck is, there's a guilt. Don't let guilt get in the way of, yes, don't let guilt get in the way of your happiness together with this person, Pisces, okay? So, pwedeng nakakaramdam ka ng guilt or this person nakakaramdam ng guilt sa kung ano man yung confusion na nag-cause, okay? So, ayun nga, parang ano lang, parang surrender lang. Siguro nagi-guilty ka, Pisces, kasi parang ginagawa mo na siyang mundo, okay? Ginagawa parang lahat ng oras, parang naghihintay ka na lang sa message niya. Pwede pong ganun, okay? So, nagi-guilty ka sa sarili mo na parang ano ba 'to? Okay, parang alam mo yun, there's a boring phase ng relasyon niyo, Pisces. Pwede pong ganun, hindi mo alam kung saan 'to papunta. Pero andun pa rin yung pagmamahal. So, hindi hindi maiwasang ma-guilty. Alam mo yun, yung parang makonsensya na ano ba, ganito, ganyan. Okay? So, nagko-cause yun for sure ng stress sa inyong dalawa, Pisces. Okay? Again, enjoy the journey. Okay? Kasi mahal niyo yung isa't isa. Andito yung mahal. Kaya lang, nasa phase lang kayo na parang confusion, hindi mo alam kung seryoso ba 'to, alam mo 'yun, yung ganito, ganyan, or ikaw parang nabo-boredom ka siguro, nabo-bored ka, walang masyadong ganap sa relasyon niyo, ano ba, ganito, ganyan, okay? Pero sa inyong dalawa, Pisces, andun yung true love. So, mahal niyong isa't isa, hindi mawawala dun, okay? And you have to again, enjoy the journey, kung ano man tong confusion na nagaganap sa inyo, pwedeng kung medyo nagko-cause ito ng stress, you have to talk about it, okay? And you have to look at the deeper level of your relationship, Pisces, para alam mo yun, para at the end of the day, piliin nyo pa rin yung isa't isa. Yeah, okay? Parang surrender everything to God. Okay? Pag para sa'yo itong taong to, para sa'yo. Okay? And yun yung parang ano dito, Pisces, na it's like a advice to our oracle cards right here sa love life niyo po. Okay? So, sige, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino or ano po yung konektado sa taong dinidin ni Pisces. Okay? You are deeply connected to this person, telepathic and emotional, Pisces. Okay? So, wag mag-alala. Just keep doing kung ano man yung ginagawa nyo, and darating yung araw, kung medyo magkalayo man kayo, darating yung araw in God's perfect time, magkakasama kayo kasi meron tayo ditong true love, okay? So, ayun, mayaman, pwede nyo dealing with someone na may kakayahan, mapagbigay, motor, trabaho, okay? Pwedeng busy sa trabaho, kaya medyo confusion. Okay, meron tayo dito, dumikit pa siya. Okay, ayan, letter T. Blonde, dark hair, lover. Yes, there's a lover right here. Letter Z, bahay, maputi, chinito, chinita. Ayan, connection. Yes, you are connected to this person. Kasal, conversation kasal. Pwede meron na kayong pag-uusap tungkol sa kasal, Pisces. And photos. Okay, so pwedeng tinitingnan niya madalas yung photos mo, Pisces, or pwedeng ikaw. And you are really connected to this person. Pwedeng madalas kayong managinip or pwedeng napanaginipan ka niya, napanaginipan mo siya, okay? Pero kahit ano man, you are deeply connected to this person. May emotional and mental, Pisces, in mindset, okay? So, you are soul connected to this person, kumbaga. Okay, so yun po ang ating reading sa araw na ito regarding with our soul connections oracle cards. Naway nagustuhan niyo po, Pisces. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin, okay? So, thank you, Pisces, and God bless!